Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Gemini static logo watermark from your video in less than 1 minute, completely for free. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So welcome back to the video. So you all know that when you generate a video using the Google Omni Flash model, you get the static watermark even though you are on a paid plan or a free subscription. You still have the watermark there, and you want to remove this watermark, especially if you are doing it for like a commercial video or like for a business aspect. You will want to get rid of this watermark. So in today's video, I'm going to show you two free simple ways on how to do that. So first off, we're going to go over to this site called vMake Watermark Remover. I'm going to click on it. So this is the site. So it is not completely free, but we're going to show you a trick on how to remove the watermark for free. So first off, we're going to sign up. As you can see, I'm already signed in for free. Then I'm going to upload my video. So first thing, what we're going to do is we're going to split in our video. So this is my video here. I want to upload on CapCut, which you can see the watermark. So I'm going to split in the video to 5 seconds. So I'm going to split in the video to 5 seconds, since the max duration of the Google Omni Flash is for 10 seconds. So we're going to split in our video into two 5 seconds each. So this is the first 5 seconds video, and I'm going to split it, and I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to export my video. You can do this with any other editing software. And then after I've exported my video, so I'm going to upload the video. I'm going to upload the 5 seconds video I splitted, and you're going to see it's going to load. You can see the video is processing, and we're going to set this to watermark, and it's going to process for about 1 minute. So you can see the video is done processing and the watermark is gone. So you can see here we only have the option to download 5 seconds preview video for free, and this is going to maintain the quality. It's not going to give you that blood watermark remover. It's going to regenerate every frame, giving you a seamless watermark free video. So I'm just going to download the free 5 seconds preview, and I'm going to do this again for the remaining 5 seconds video. So this is the preview of the video here. You can see the watermark is gone already. It's gone, so you can see no watermark, and it is seamless. So you can see that he regenerated the frames of the hand, giving it a free and seamless video, watermark free video. So the next one I'm going to make use of is the watermark remover.io, which also accommodates only 5 seconds video for free. And we're going to be making use of the Edge browser, the incognito mode on the Edge browser, turning on the free Edge browser VPN, so which is not going to save the IP, so we can do this over and over and over again. So we're going to upload the 5 seconds video. So you can see the video here. So I'm going to click on manual erase. So the manual erase, I'm going to select the spot I want to remove the watermark. So this is almost similar to the other one, but for this you have a section to select the area you want to get rid of. So I'm going to select this watermark section here, and I'm going to click on apply. So you can see it's going to ask, so I'm going to click on 5 seconds video, and it's going to process everything within 2 or 1 minute. It's done, and you can see the before and the after. So let's play it. You can see there's a little bit glitch here, so it depends on your selection. So let's play this again. So while using this, you can create a bigger selection. You can select it more big to get rid of everything, because mine, I did a little selection, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger while selecting. So this is how to get rid of the Gemini Omni Flash watermark from your video completely for free, without it blurring your subject, and it's going to remove it seamlessly for you. So that is it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Joseph Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.